Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how you can create this easy colorful nail art. Now I always do freehand nail art design, which is somewhat a intermediate design, which is not a beginner design, and I get so many requests from my friends mostly to do beginners nail art. So I decided to go for some beginner nail art which will very easy and you guys can easily do it. So I'm starting this series where I will be doing beginners nail art and I will put it all in one playlist. So hope you guys will like all the design and let's get started. So I've started this design by applying 2 coat of this beige nail polish, and this is from K Beauty. Now instead of this beige nail polish you can also apply some nude nail polish or even go for white nail polish. Next I've used red nail polish and using a brush I'm making this stripe. Now today instead of using acrylic paint I have used only nail polish. Now doing nail art using acrylic paint is very easy, but there are some people who don't have acrylic paint at their home, but we all have nail polish. So that's the reason I have decided to go with nail polish. So after the red I've applied yellow. This design is very easy, but yes, it is little bit of time consuming because you have to apply one layer after the another and you have to wait for each layer to dry to go for the next. But trust me guys, this design is very easy. Now after the yellow color I've applied green nail polish and then I've applied light blue and the last one is violet. Now you can stop this design up to this much, but I'm going to do it to the next level. So I'm going to apply the same layer of nail polish on this side just like this. And this time I'm starting with the violet one. Now while making the line at this side, you don't have to be so much careful while applying near the red line, because if the nail polish comes over the red line, doesn't matter, after it's dry you can again apply the red nail polish over it and make it a smooth line. So just like the first one, I'm starting with the violet, then blue, then green, yellow, and the last is red, just the opposite one. By the way, all the product I've used in this video will be listed down in the description box. I haven't showed you guys in the video just because of the fact it is not necessary that you have to use the nail polish brand I've used. You can use any sort of nail polish you feel like. Just make sure the color is almost the same, or you can do it in your own way as well. Just make it more colorful and fun. Now I've cleaned the nail polish at the side of my nails and near my cuticle, and finally I'm adding a top coat to seal the design. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below whether you guys like it or not. And if you guys have some different sort of requests, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.